Welcome to this brand new video. How to make an item in Create and Conquer. Alright, first you need to go to the Items tab in the object window on the left. Now click Create New to create a new item. The default appearance is a pistol, so let's start by making a pistol. You can name it anything you want, but I will name it pistol. Skip damage for now. Knockback is how much the player that is hit is knocked back. You can also add events to an item by pressing this Events button. If you want to add an event, press the Add Event button. As you can see, there are several options you can choose from. I will show you some events in another tutorial. Press Edit Gun to open the gun settings window. Let's leave range as it is. 30 might be a bit much for a pistol, so let's set this to 10. The ammo is also a bit much, let's make it 40. And I want a quick reload, so let's make this a 1-second animation. We do not want infinite ammo, and it would make sense to make a pistol semi-auto. Hit save. Save again and boom, you have created your first item. Now let's make a melee weapon. Click Create New. I am going to be creative with name, so I will name it Bat, because that is the appearance we are going to choose. Go to the Appearance drop-down and select Bat. The Bat is going to be a one-hit, one-kill, so let's set the damage to the default player health, 100. I don't want any knockback for now. You shouldn't be able to spam click this weapon, so let's set this to 1 second. By default the item type is set to gun, but we want it to function as a melee weapon. Easy, right? Let's hit save. Boom! There you go. You have made your second item. You can place your items in the map, so they can be picked up by players. If this tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Do not forget to sign up for the playtest on the Create and Conquer Steam page.
Yeah. Okay.